Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arcsecx of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have the s over s multiplied by the square root of s squared minus 1. dv, we have s to the power of 3 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s to the power of 4 over 4. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So that's it about this one simplified with s, and we have 1 over 4, and we have the integration s to the power of 3 ds over the square root of s squared minus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one only. S to the power of 3 we can put into s squared and s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we don't have we have s squared, so we need to put about negative number 1 go to the left, and we have u squared plus 1 equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one you got about 2u du. This one you got about number 0. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s ds. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. S squared we change by this one. S ds we change by u du. So u divided by u, we got about number 1. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of number 1, we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end.